Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted this photo on my Facebook page and wanted to know how you could draw this. And the middle part would be virtually pretty easy. The outer part's not too hard either, and you just kind of look at it and see what it's made of. It's repetitive six-sided polygon with six ovals around the polygon and then intermingled together, and I've already drawn it and it came out pretty good. Pretty much just like the drawing. It's not necessary, you'll probably never do this, but you might learn a few things. I'm going to grab the six-sided polygon and I'm going to make it six-sided, and I held down the control button and it made it equal in all aspects. Now I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page because I like drawing in the center of the page. We'll get these out of the way. And when I'm looking at the polygon, it's got like sloped sides. So that's one of the reasons I decided to make the video, to figure out how to do that. Let me move my indexing lines to the center of the page. Not really necessary right now, but we might later. I'm just hitting the indexing lines and hitting P. And then take this polygon and go up to Object and convert it to a curve. And when you did that, and then take these and right-click and convert them to a curve. Then when you move one of them, it's going. Let me back up here. Maybe I should have just hit these two. Turn these into a curve. And see, you've got a kind of a slight bow to it. Now we need to take another polygon, six-sided. Let's change it to 6 now. It goes back to 3 because I was drawing a triangle earlier. And let's hit P, because we kind of need that for a reference point. I'm going to make my other polygon a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to create an oval. And I'm going to kind of go off my other, because I actually went off the picture to make this oval, and just without holding down the control button, just kind of make an oval. And I need it to be at least that thick to overlap the other ones. And that's pretty good. Then I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now I can move it up by start moving it, then hold down the control button, and I just want it just barely above that other polygon. Now hold down the Shift key and select the polygon and the oval, and let's make it 3 points. Then let's select it again, Shift select the other one, go up to Object and convert the outline to an object, and then take away the fill and add the outline. So now we have an outline. And this is why I put indexing. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that. Double click on it and move to the center. And then rotate it 60 degrees. Control D. Corel doesn't always do it, so go 120. Control D, Control D, Control D. What is so good about these outlines, because now they're going to weld. And they're intermingled. And you take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now I could have made the circles a little bit bigger like this, the gap, but if you look at this, it's, and my eyes got really tired looking at that. It's so confusing. So now we need to intermingle this together. We need to join it together, and with another video, I'm going to show you how to do that. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.